Hey there, Jim. Hey, Acadiana. Well, we've got some warnings that are up across portions of Louisiana. Now, for Acadiana, what you're going to see is a tropical storm watch. So that gives us a couple days before we start to see the tropical storm impacts arriving, winds, things like that. So that's up along the coastline, but you get just south of Marsh Island, out of Vermilion Bay, and you've got the tropical storm warning. For the coastline, it's going to run from about Terrebonne Parish, just south of Morgan City, all through Grand Isle, getting up into Plaquemines Parish, and then onwards through Mississippi as well. It will extend as far north as about the I-12 corridor, just to the east. So roughly the I-10 and 12 split there. Eastwards up along I-12, it will encompass the I-10 corridor running up through Mississippi, all the way through Mobile, and even on towards Pensacola. It looks like it's going to include Pensacola Bay in there as well. The warning means that in the next 24 hours, expecting to feel some form of tropical weather. You've got Tropical Storm Cristobal, which is now getting out over into the Gulf of Mexico. You can see where the center is circulated, and this is what we'd been waiting for. Now we can start to build a little bit more confidence in the forecast track. It will get away from land a little bit and does look like it's going to intensify. It will intensify over the next couple of days as it gets closer and closer to Louisiana, but should stay a tropical storm. You've got dry air out in the Gulf of Mexico. You got a lot of wind shear, and that's going to prevent us from seeing a rapid intensification of this storm. That being said, still a strong to moderate tropical storm expected to make landfall out in southeast Louisiana. That'll be east of the basin. Sunday afternoon, packing winds of about 60 miles an hour. It's a lopsided storm. Most of the impacts are going to be sitting out over towards the east. That doesn't mean that we don't see impacts, though. And this is what we could be looking at, a time frame. It will start to pick up Sunday afternoon. It will continue on through into Monday evening. You may even see some coastal flooding on Tuesday. We're going to have more on that coming up here in just a bit.